Hello and welcome. In this video I will show you how to replace pinion seal on BMW E93. First step is to remove the drive shaft. After removing the heat shield, you start with removing bolts from the flex plate. First I removed 3 E-Torx bolts, then I removed the other 3 bolts using 18mm wrench and impact gun. Here I am removing the drive shaft. I had to use pry bar to separate the drive shaft from the differential. Here comes the important part. You must mark the nut, so when you are putting it back together, you tighten it to the same amount. Before removing the nut, you will need to remove the securing plate. I highly recommend buying new one because you will likely destroy it while removing. You will need 32mm deep socket to remove this nut. I used impact gun and it came right out. Sprocket should also come right out. I tap it just lightly with a hammer. I would recommend using rubber hammer. I used flathead screwdriver to remove the old pinion seal. It is important to clean the surface where the new seal will be placed. Before installing the new pinion seal, I lube the surface with fresh differential fluid. At first, I push the seal in with my hands. I use a piece of rubber to tap the new seal in. Tighten the nut with the marking you made earlier. Here you can see that the nut is aligned with the marking and the securing plate is back in his position. After you reinstall the drive shaft, make sure to refill the differential with new fluid and clean everything well. To remove the fill plug, you will need 14mm Allen key. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe.